Let's see how to configure Compact ControlLogix Rockwell PLC in KMS.
Go to Communication, select Rockwell, and click on Add. Enter a logical name for the PLC and provide its IP address. For CompactLogix or ControlLogix PLCs, select the Logix driver. For MicroLogix and Micro PLCs, use the SLC driver. We'll cover this in another video. Next, define a group name. To bring in the tags, click on Load Tags from the controller. Browse the available tags and assign logical names as needed. If a tag is an array, browse from the list and specify the array index in square brackets under the address. Configure the historian settings, and the system is now ready to work with KMS